Hey guys, this is Sarah and I'm a food editor here at the Feed, and today I'll be making a raspberry and dark chocolate bread pudding. We use croissants for this recipe, but if you want to use any day-old bread or honestly whatever baked goods you have lying around, you could easily sub those in. And we also use raspberries, but if you prefer, you could use your favorite berry. For the custard mixture, we use a combination of eggs, heavy cream, whole milk, some spices, and we also add some bourbon in for an extra kick of flavor, but if you're not into it, you could totally leave that out. So once you whisk up the custard mixture, you're gonna pour it over the croissant slices, and that's gonna sit overnight in the fridge or for at least 6 hours, so it really soaks up that flavor, and by the time it's ready to bake, it'll be super rich. This is an awesome recipe if you're having friends over for the weekend or you want to do something special for a nice little brunch. This would be an awesome sweet dessert. When you take the bread pudding out of the oven, you're going to want to let it cool for just a little bit, and then once it's cooled for about 15 minutes or so, you're free to go ahead and drizzle on some extra chocolate, add more cinnamon sugar, or even toss on some more raspberries. This bread pudding would be great for a weekend treat or a special occasion, but honestly, you don't really need an excuse to make this. Happy cooking!